Hi, welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Adventures. I'm Morton, LB0 Fox India. And today's the last day of my vacation. It's July 30th. Tomorrow it's back to work after a long and nice vacation. But there's going to be a while until I get a chance to do some POTA again. So I gotta use today for it. And the weather's, let's call it, unpredictable today. Right now it's relatively blue skies, but it's supposed to rain on and off, which kind of sabotaged my plans for the day. That was changing the roof hatch on my camper. So let's do some POTA. I'm at Park Lima Alpha 2532. You've seen me in this park a lot of times, but that's the easiest park to get to from home, and it's also a drive-in park, which makes it a lot easier when the weather is unstable. Antenna plans for today is going to be the Sidewinder DX. But enough talking. Let's get the antenna and the radio set up. Thing is set up in the car now, ready to get calling. Let's take a look at the station, although you've seen this station a lot of time. Radio of the day is the X6100 and the MXP50 amplifier, and that's all hooked up to the Sidewinder DX on the roof of the car. It's my magic carpet, as Walt K4OGO called it. And I'm going to try something different today. I'm going to start out on 40 and see if I can get anyone on 40 before I go to 20. So wish me good luck, and I'll start calling. And that, my friend, is why I usually don't call CQ on 40 for parks in the air. That was a dud. Nothing at all. So I'm going outside. I'm going to retune the antenna for 20, and we'll get going on 20 and hope for some more luck there. Band conditions are terrible today, so I'm just hoping for an activation. And should everything fail, I could always do digimodes, but already got the kilo in this park, so it's not that important. Anyway, let's go on, tune the antenna for 20 and get going. And we've tuned for 20, so let's start calling. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India calling CQ Parks on the air, calling CQ Parks on the air. Let's see, just one moment here. I wasn't expecting people to answer that fast. Yankee Oscar 5, go ahead with your suffix there, please. QSL, Yankee Oscar 5, Quebec Kilo Alpha. You are 59 in Norway, QSL. QSL, thank you for the 5x5 and thank you for hunting parks on the air. 7-3.
Thank you. Have a great time in the park. Have a great weekend. 73.
7-3.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. The Alpha Whiskey Alpha station coming on, please.
Thank you very much. This is Yankee Uniform 3 Alpha Whiskey Alpha Portable.
Yankee Uniform 3 Alpha Whiskey Alpha Portable, QSL.
Roger.
Yeah, you're 5-9 here in Norway, QSL.
Thank you so much. 5-9 +70 over 9 in the province of Serbia. Thank you for the activation and good luck.
Thank you. Are you, by the way, out doing a Parks on the Air activation today?
No, today. That's the portable. Thank you.
Thank you, 7-3, and thank you for hunting. QRZ Parks on the Air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Tango Juliet station, come again, please. Foxtrot 4, Foxtrot Tango Juliet. Yeah, QSL, you are about a 5 and 5, 55. QSL, QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0, Fox India. Oscar November 4, Fox, Fox. You're 5'9", QSL.
QSL, you're also 5 and 9, and it's a park to park.
Oh, just one moment. I was a little bit too quick to save the log here, so I'm just going to go in and edit that. Let's see here. Just one moment. Okay, give me your park number, please. Oscar November 110, is that correct? 110 QSL? So I guess it's 0110 then. Isn't there 4 numbers in the POTA Parks? Over? QSL, thank you. And QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0, Fox India. Golf 0, Romeo, Quebec, Lima. Good afternoon there, Don. 5 and 9 as usual. QSL.
Good afternoon to you there. Thanks for the 5-9. 5 and 6, 56. I thought you were going to be a bit stronger than that. 5 and 6, Morton. And for the club call, Mike 0, Oscar Mike Charlie. Mike 0, Oscar Mike Charlie. 56 also, Morton,
Roger. Thank you for the 5 and 6 from the club call as well there, Don. Thank you and enjoy your weekend. 7-3. The Romeo Mobile, come in, please. Golf 7 Alpha Echo Romeo stroke Mobile. 5 and 9, QSL. Bye-bye. And I think I heard a Sierra Papa station in there as well. Okay, Echo Alpha Tango Lima station, please hold. Only Sierra Papa, please.
Papa 3 Alpha Tango Bravo.
Sierra Papa 3 Alpha Tango Bravo, do you copy, please?
Alright, thank you. 5 and 4 with deep QS Baker. 5 and 4 deep QS Baker, Roger.
Roger, and I have some QRM from a Spanish station here as well, so I'm gonna say 7-3 to you and get the Spanish station out of the way. Thank you for hunting. 7-3. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0, Fox India. Italy Victor 3, Golf Victor Yankee. QSL. QSL, thank you for the 5 and 8. You are 5 and 9 in Norway. Thank you for hunting. 7-3. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0, Fox India. Italy Whiskey 0, Hotel Kilo. QSL.
Yes, Italy Whiskey 0, Hotel Kilo. You are 5 and 5 in Rome. Back to you.
Thank you for the 5 and 5 in Rome. You are 5 and 9 in Norway. I'm good on receive, probably not as good on transmit today, but you're my 10th contact, so thank you for hunting. 7-3.
Thanks for the park. Ciao,
Ciao, ciao. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0, Fox India.
Oscar Radio 1 X-ray.
Let's see, Oscar Radio 1 X-ray. QSL. QSL, I am not in the contest. I'm doing Parks on the air. But you're still in my log. So I guess you get a 59001 from me then, QSL.
QSL, thank you for 001. Thank you so much for the call. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0, Fox India.
Radio 3 Oscar Mike.
Radio 3 Oscar Mike. QSL.
Radio 3 Oscar Mike.
Yeah, Radio 3 Oscar Mike. 5 and 9. QSL. Radio 3 Oscar Mike. I am not in the contest. You are 5 and 9. This is a Parks on the air activation, but I'll give you a 002 since you were absolutely looking for a number. Over. 73. QRZ Parks on the air. This is not contest. This is Parks on the air, but you're welcome to log me anyway. Lima Bravo 0, Fox India calling CQ Parks on the air. Oscar November 3, Charlie Papa, I think, QSL. Charlie, Papa, Oscar, QSL, Peter, 5 and 9, QSL.
Okay, Roger Martin, you're also 5 by 973. Have a nice weekend.
7-3, and thank you. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima, Bravo 0, Fox India.
Okay, code 6, Papa, Alpha, Alpha.
Oscar Echo 6, Papa, Alpha, Alpha, QSL. Thank you for the 5 and 7. You are 5 by 5, 55 here in Norway. QSL. Thank you very much. 7-3. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima, Bravo 0, Fox India. Sierra Papa 5 X-Ray, QSL. Roger, thank you for the 5 and 9. You are 4 and 5, 45 here. Over. Thank you, 7-3. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima, Bravo 0, Fox India.
Mike 0, Lima, Echo Delta, Mexico 0, London, England, Denmark.
Mexico 0, Lima, Echo Delta. Good morning, Lee, or I guess it's afternoon already. 5 and 9, QSL.
Okay, thank you for the 5 and 9. Your 5 and 5 in the clear, QSL.
Thank you for the 5 and 5 in the clear, and thank you for hunting, 7-3. And I heard an Echo Alpha station in the background. Echo Alpha station, come again, please. Echo Alpha 2 Delta Tango, about a 5 and 5, 55 there, Manuel. QSL. Thank you for the 44. Thank you for the 44, and thank you for hunting. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima, Bravo 0, Fox India, calling CQ Parks on the air. Okay, I think I heard a Sierra Oscar Kilo there, QSL. 2 Echo 0 Sierra Foxtrot Kilo, QSL. Yeah, you're about a 4 and 5, 45, QSL. The 7-3, and thank you for hunting. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima, Bravo 0, Fox India. Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima. I was wondering where you went, Luis. I heard you earlier, but I was in the middle of a QSO, and when I called for you, you were gone. You're about a 5 and 5, 55 today, QSO. Thank you for the 5 and 5 Spain, and your contact number 20. Thank you for hunting 7-3. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima, Bravo 0, Fox India. November 2 station, come again, please. November Tango 2 Alpha, QSL. Thank you for the 3 and 3. You are 3 by 5, 3 by 5 here in Norway, and thank you for hunting. It's always good to get some U.S. stations here. Thank you, 7-3. 73, thank you. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima, Bravo 0, Fox India. How's that for crappy band conditions? 21 in the log, even one North America. I'm amazed. I'm amazed on what you can do when band conditions are poor. And I guess that's my piece of advice to you. Don't get too hung up. Don't get too hung up on the band conditions you see on QRZ and similar. You might get lucky anyway. I got 20 in the log on 30 watts. Compromised vertical on the roof of my car. I mean, this is great. Made my last day of vacation great. So, I mean, I guess that's it for now. Please do remember to click that like button. Perhaps leave a comment down below. Consider subscribing and all that. Also, if you want to support the channel a little bit financially, there are a couple of ways down to do that. And until next time, 7-3. Thank you, hunters.